Hi everyone. I recently purchased my first quadcopter, which is this Holybro QAV250. It's marketed as a racing drone, but I have other plans for it. It's kind of a test platform for me to learn about the open source autopilot software that is available. By loading the software onto the Pixhawk mini flight controller, the quadcopter becomes a fully autonomous vehicle. This is a short video of my second fully automated Waypoint mission. You'll notice that the video is a little jerky, and that's for a couple of reasons. Number one, this is just a RunCam 2 strapped to the top of the battery pack on top of the quadcopter. No gimbals, no image stabilization other than what's built into the camera itself. I also need to do some tweaking on the firmware slash software that goes onto the flight controller. Looks like the yaw axis moves are a little bit abrupt. Here's a little inlay of the waypoints during the mission. Towards the end, as it was getting ready to land, I was trying to switch it out of mission mode, and I was hoping to take control of it with my transmitter. However, it just went into kind of an altitude hold mode, which was okay because there was some cars coming on the road that I took off close to, and I was afraid that it might be off a little bit on its landing coordinates, and I didn't want it to land on top of a car. So anyway, all went well, and as you'll see at the end of the video, it came down, landed just like it was supposed to, and a great success, I guess, for mission number 2.